Oh my god, that's so cute.
Oh boy.
Yay, Tonto!
That feels good. Whoa. What's the matter? What's the matter? Nothing's the matter. Yeah, like doing his head antics and stuff. Don't go too far away.
He's in the he's in the back corner.
What do you think, buddy? You having a bath?
That is too cute. Ooh, that feels good.
He likes his bath.
Woo!
That feels good.
All right.
What's the matter?
Okay, he's in the front corner now. He's really soaking it up. Yay!
Where are you going? What's the matter?
Now he's in the back corner again.
What's the matter?
Okay, he's
Good.
climbing on the perch now. Ooh! Ooh!
Like to have a golf ball and fall down on him. That feels good.
All right. Whee! Yay, Tonto!
We know what you've done. He's probably saturated. That feels good.
He's getting closer. Oh! Oh, he's right in front of you. He's like right in front of you.
That feels good.
Yay!
That feels good.
Oh my god.
His wings and stuff?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, his wings are open.
Oh, that feels good.
What a good boy. So clean.
He likes his bath.
So clean, Tonto. Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right.
Had enough?
All right, Tonto. That was great. Good job. We'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye.
Signing off.